This segment is proudly brought to you by Patak, and we have a warming winter recipe now, and as I've said, this segment is proudly brought to you in part by Patak, and go with the slow. So, and the recipe of the week is?
Recipe of the week is slow cooked Indian spice lamb shanks.
Now,
Sounds delicious.
and here are the ingredients my offsider is going to read out.
So you need 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 4 trimmed lamb shanks, 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 medium white onions thickly sliced, 10 fresh curry leaves, 2 garlic cloves thinly sliced, 1/3 a cup Patak's Rogan Josh paste, 1 cup of beef stock, 400 grams of canned diced tomatoes, 400 grams of canned cherry tomatoes and tomato juice, 400 grams of canned lentils drained and rinsed, 1/4 a cup of chopped fresh coriander leaves and steamed basmati rice to serve.
Okay, and the instructions.
So you have to place the flour in a bowl, add lamb, toss to coat, shake off excess, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large heavy-based flame-proof casserole dish over medium heat. Cook shanks, turning for 8 to 10 minutes or until browned all over. Transfer to a plate. Heat remaining oil in dish, add onion, cook stirring occasionally for 5 minutes or until softened. Add curry leaves and garlic, cook stirring for 1 minute or until fragrant. Add Patak's Rogan Josh paste, cook stirring for 3 minutes or until fragrant. Add stock and tomatoes, stir to combine, cover, bring to the boil. Return lamb to pan, reduce heat to low. Simmer covered for 2.5 hours. Remove lid, simmer for 30 minutes. Add lentils. Season with salt and pepper. Simmer uncovered for 15 minutes or until lentils are heated through and lamb tender. Stir in chopped coriander. Serve with coriander leaves and steamed basmati rice.
And if you would like something to cool the palate on this page, it's a nice cheesecake to end with.
Yeah, mate. New York-based cheesecake.
And that recipe was proudly brought to you by Patak's paste, curry paste, and in a cheesecake now, and the recipe for dessert is.
Okay, so it's 250 grams of packet plain sweet biscuits, 125 grams of butter, melted, 2 times 250 gram packet cream cheese softened, 3/4 a cup of caster sugar, 3/4 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon finely grated lemon rind, 3 eggs, frozen raspberries, thawed to serve.
Okay, so the secret to making cheesecake, guys, you must make sure that the biscuits are in date, and the same with the cream cheese and with the lamb shanks, because hey, there's nothing worse than having a contaminated meal and then you feel sick afterwards. And that is our food segment, proudly brought to you by the Food Ideas and Patak's. You can't go wrong with Patak. And now, here's our closing segment.